making a video now. I'm gonna follow the tractor. You can't keep up with me. There goes the tractor. It's pretty slick. This guy's like, hi, I'm gonna be on YouTube, yay! Zoom out. Freaky. Ah, shit. Stop. There's some cars. There's lots of cars. Why is there so many cars? Fuck! No. Well, that was awkward. There was a tractor going down my street. Okay, actually that's not very awkward, because we just got new roads, so... There's my little friend again. Catch up to him. I am videotaping you! Ah, shit, more cars. Okay, well, I catch up to this noob. No, it's my flip camera. Okay, well, with awkward things gone bye-bye. Bye.